So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to record screen on Samsung Galaxy A26. Unfortunately, this phone for some weird reason does not support it natively, but you can just download an app that will allow you to do that. So let's go to the Play Store, and in Play Store go to search. Now you should search for let's maybe find Mobizen. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, I'm gonna install it, this one. You can of course choose any other app, but this is the app that I've used in the past, so I just know that it'll work. But of course there's much more other apps that may have different features, so if you know any and want to install it instead, of course you can use it. But then what I'm gonna show later, how to use that app, may not be the same if you get another app. Now let's go here. Okay, it's adjusting. I'm gonna click on no free trial because I want to do only the free options. And now you can see I can just tap the circle to start recording, but I think I first need to open the app, then not click anything on the screen. So the circle, then I can start recording. Next, while using the app, allow. No, not limited access. Okay, consent. Okay, then draw over other apps, permissions required. So I'm gonna go to the settings, and I'm gonna enable Mobizen so it can draw over other apps. Now there's an ad. That's how it is in the free version. Now I can click on start recording. Start now. Now it'll count down from free. And I can do stuff on my phone. I believe now it records my microphone as well. Let's see if we can disable it. I'm not really sure, but I think there's quite a lot of things that you can do, like turn on the camera, I believe. Yes, you can see I can turn on my camera, and I believe resize it as well. So I can like talk to the phone, I can rotate the camera, disable it. I can also click on that button and it'll do a screenshot probably. And then you can pause the video. Now it says that the recording is completed. So I'm gonna go to the video list. I'm gonna close out of the Mobizen like this floating icon, so I just need to slide it down to the X button. Okay, it actually closes the whole app, so I should first watch the video and download it. So I'm gonna click on these buttons right here, and here is my recording. Let's see if it has microphone. Yes, it has. I can hear it. And now just need to click on the share button, and now you can share it wherever you want, or you can upload it to photos, so you can have it in your Google Photos, wherever you want. I think that, let's see if it has. Okay, it also has automatically downloaded to my phone as a recording, so this is how it all looks. And now I'm just gonna close the Mobizen floating icon. And okay, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.